Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 11. And you will love Yehovah your Elohim, and keep his charge, and his customs, and his guidelines, and his commandments all the days. Still yet know this day, for it is not unto your children who have not known nor seen the chastisement of Yehovah your Elohim, his greatness, his mighty hand, and his outstretched arm, and his miracles. Also his acts which he did in the midst of Mitzrayim, to Paro, the king of Mitzrayim, and to all his land, and what he did to the Mitzrayim army, to their horses, and to their chariots, how he made the water of the sea of reeds to overflow them as he pursued after them, and Yehovah has destroyed them until this day. And what he did for you in the wilderness, until you came into this place, and what he did to Datan and Abiram, the sons of Eliab, the son of Reuben, how the earth opened her mouth and swallowed them up, and their households, and their tents, and all the substance that was in their possession, in the midst of all Yeshariel. However, your eyes have seen all the great acts of Yehovah, which he did. Therefore you will keep all the commandments which I command you this day, that you may be strong, and go in and possess the land where you go to possess, so that your days may be prolonged in the land, which Yehovah swore to your fathers to give to them and to their seed, a land flowing with milk and honey. For the land where you go to possess is not like the land of Mitzrayim, from where you came out, where you sow your seed and watered it by foot, like a garden of herbs. But the land where you go to possess is a land of hills and valleys. Drinking water is from the rain of the heavens, a land which Yehovah your Elohim cares for. The eyes of Yehovah your Elohim are always upon it, from the beginning of the year even to the end of the year. And it will come to pass, if you will hearken diligently to my commandments, which I command you this day, to love Yehovah your Elohim, and to serve him with all your heart and with all your soul, that I will give the rain of your land in its appointed season, the first rain and the latter rain, that you may gather in your grain, and your wine, and your oil. And I will send grass in your fields for your cattle, that you may eat and be full. Take heed to yourself that your heart is not deceived, and you turn aside and serve other deities, and worship them, lest the wrath of Yehovah be kindled against you, and he will shut up the heavens, that there is no rain, and that the land does not yield her fruit, lest you perish quickly from off the good land which Yehovah gives you. Therefore you will lay up these my words in your heart and in your soul, and bind them for a sign upon your hand, that they may be like frontlets between your eyes. Furthermore, you will teach them to your children, speaking of them when you sit in your house, and when you walk by the way, when you lie down, and when you rise up. And you will write them upon the doorposts of your house, and upon your gates, so that your days and the days of your children may be multiplied in the land, which Yehovah swore unto your fathers to give you, like the days of the heavens upon the earth. For if you will diligently keep all these commandments, which I command you, to do them, to love Yehovah your Elohim, to walk in all his ways, and to cleave to him, then Yahuwah will drive out all these nations from before you, and you will possess nations that are greater and mightier than you. Every place that the soles of your feet tread will be yours, from the wilderness and Lebanon, surely from the river of Parat until the western sea will be your territory. No man will be able to stand before you. Yahuwah your Elohim will lay the fear of you and the dread of you upon all the land that you tread upon, like he has said to you. Behold, I set before you this day an endowment and a curse. An endowment if you obey the commandments of Yahuwah your Elohim, which I command you this day, and a curse if you do not obey the commandments of Yahuwah your Elohim, but turn aside out of the way which I command you this day, to go after other deities which you have not known. And it will come to pass, when Yahuwah your Elohim has brought you in to the land where you go to possess, that you will put the endowment upon Mount Gerizim, and the curse upon Mount Aibal. Are they not on the other side of the Yarden, by the way where the sun goes down, in the land of the Canaani, which dwell in the plains facing Gilgal, near the oaks of Morah? For you will pass over the Yarden to go in to possess the land which Yahuwah your Elohim gives you. Therefore you will possess and dwell in it. And you will observe to do all the customs and guidelines which I set before you this day.